Hi everyone, again welcome to our tutorial in AutoCAD. Previously, we have done a video on how to create a square and rectangle using line command in AutoCAD. We learned the different steps on how to construct the object in our drawing area. By the way, thank you so much for watching our videos. I appreciate, and that is one of the reasons why I continue creating the video tutorial for our AutoCAD 2D and 3D. Even in simple way, we can help others all over the world, especially those who are in the industries using computer-aided design. Today, we will use Polyline Command to create square and rectangle object in our CAD software. Here, I am going to teach the steps and the process of creating object in our drawing area. Now let's do our activity. The measurement of the square will be 1 unit on its sides, while our rectangle length will be 2 units and the width will be 1 unit. To create our square, using our Polyline command, type PL in our keyboard, then press enter or spacebar. Then using our mouse, bring our cursor to our drawing area and specify the starting point. Left click button of our mouse, then drag the object going to the right and type 1 unit. To the top direction, type 1 unit. To the left direction, type 1 unit. Then going down, type 1 unit. Press enter or spacebar, then skip. That was the created square using Polyline command. Now let's go to our rectangle using Polyline command. In our keyboard, type PL, then press enter or spacebar. Using our mouse, bring our cursor to our drawing area, and for example, I want it here. Left click button of our mouse or to specify the starting point, then drag the object, type 2 units, then press enter or spacebar. Then going to the top direction, type 1 unit, press enter or spacebar. To the left direction, type 2 units, press enter or spacebar. Then going down, type 1 unit, press enter or spacebar, then skip. That was the created rectangle using the Polyline command in AutoCAD. Thank you so much for watching.